Hello, I am Krista Goswick, and I am going to show you guys how to do your Bella skirt into a sarong dress, backless dress. Let me move that out of my way. So I am wearing a tank top and leggings underneath, just so I don't show you guys my body, because nobody wants to see all of that except my husband. But I wanted to do a full tutorial of how you do this particular dress with the Bella skirt, the LuLaRoe Bella Skirt. So what you're going to do is, the Bella skirt has this little, where is it? Oh, this little hole, keyhole thing to put your belt through when you wear it like a regular skirt, which I can show you that too in case you're like, how does it work? So you take your belt, which I had pulled out, so it's normally not this complicated. I'm falling all over the place because you just, so you'll have your belt in there, you step into it. There is an elastic, stretchy part in the back that you want to place in the middle of your back. There it is. So then, oh, and this skirt is my true size. So if you get your true size or one size up, you can do this fun trick I'm about to show you. So your belt goes through the hole, then you wrap it around your back, and this part pulls over, and then you just tie it. It's super, super simple. You just tie it, and then you kind of adjust this how you want. I prefer to wear it a little higher up onto my actual real waist, but that's how it looks when you just wear it how it was intended. But you know, us LuLaRoe people never only wear it one way, the way it was intended. So here is the other way. So you have to pull the belt back through the hole, and you take the inside part and you wrap it up and pull it around your neck, and then just set that there for a minute. And then this part you're going to tuck underneath your bust. Then, oop, got my earring. Then you're gonna unwrap it from around your neck, and you go in the back, and where they meet, you just tie it, just like you would tie your shoes. So I hope you can see. So you just tie it and put it in the middle of your back. Whew, I'm not good at tying behind my back. So I'm going to adjust this a little, which will then make it go into the middle. So you're going to pull this around your bust. And these are all super stretchy, so any of them you're able to like pull and adjust and stretch where you need it to cover. So the ruffle hangs here, which you could play peekaboo boob, but you can get it adjusted just right so that it doesn't play peekaboo boob. But this is definitely a style of wearing it that you would want to have a strapless bra. Oh, well, now I have the tie over here, but well, that looks kind of cute though. It's like a little crisscross. So anyway, you adjust this to cover your bust. This part you just kind of adjust to make sure you're covering your goodies down there, and there you have it. So tell me what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching.